Welcome back to TechWise, where digital skills are made simple. Today we're going to show you how to take a screenshot on your phone and how to share it with someone or save it for later. I'll be using an Apple iPhone in this demo, but if you have an Android phone, don't worry, the steps are very similar. A screenshot is a picture of whatever is on your screen. It's like saving a snapshot of a message, a map, or a receipt. Think of it as taking a digital photograph of your screen right in the moment. To take a screenshot on most phones, you're going to press the side button and the volume up button at the same time. You'll hear a click and see a quick flash. That's your screenshot. Right after you take the screenshot, it appears in the bottom corner of your screen. You can tap it right away to edit it or share it. Or if you've missed it, don't worry, all of your screenshots are saved in your Photos app. To share a screenshot with a friend or family member, open the screenshot in your Photos app. Tap the share button. That's the little square with the arrow. Choose how you want to send it, text message, email, or even Facebook Messenger. And that's it. Now you know how to take, find, and share a screenshot on your phone. It's a simple skill, but once you know it, I bet you'll use it all the time. Thank you for watching, and as always, I hope now you are more tech-wise.